Bend the right knee slightly before the hands go back. By straightening and then bending the knees alternatively like this, it helps pump the blood through the body without the heart having to work. It also gives your legs a little bit of a rest. Soft throat, face and eyes. And this is one of the best positions to maintain for a while to relieve the stress of daily sitting that we do so much in the West. As you shift the weight forward, slide right leg forward, come to the right toe tip in front, and the right ball of the foot down. And now you're shifting the weight from left leg to right once again. Check, you're relaxed. Weight on the right leg, and the weight shift to left leg. Rest the right leg here. Shift the weight forward, rest the left leg. Feel the arms relax when they're down. The shoulders are making a circle. Shoulders down and back,